Cheeky Monkey Club. It's class time.
Now, if we're going to get building, we might need to do some... It's a funny noise, isn't it? I like that noise. Now, Cheeky Monkey wants to make... Cheeky Monkey wants to make a ladder out of rope. Have you ever climbed up a rope ladder?
Yeah!
Well, and I gave Cheeky Monkey some rope and I told him that we can cut it 5 lengths of, I told him 20, but I thought we could do it together. And so if we get this big... I thought Cheeky Monkey's already cut the rope. Cheeky Monkey, have you already cut the rope? Maybe we might need to see. Do you know what 20 looks like? A 1 and a 0? No, that would be 10. So a 2 and a 0. Let's see, can we count to 20 and I'll find it on the tape measure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now, I wonder, do you want to come and see if, Amelia, come and see if you can show me. Can you point to 20? 2 and 0. Well done. All right, now let's see. Can you stand over here and hold this tape measure? I think, what colour helmet would you like? What colour is this one?
Green.
Green it is. Is green your favourite colour? Looks very nice on you. All right, now let's see. Is this 20 or did Cheeky Monkey make a boo-boo? All right, you hold it on the 1. Hold it on the 1 where it says 1 and we'll stretch it out. Exactly. Give Cheeky Monkey a clap, everybody. Well done. Well, he's got 1, but we need 5. Okay, let's go. Got this one, and then we've got... Oh, what do you think?
Yeah.
Okay, well, let's try. Hold it on the 1, Amelia, and let's see. We'll measure it over to... It's 20 again. Give Cheeky another clap. Well, he's got 2. Did he measure it right? Yes, he did. Now we're going to measure another one. Oh, this one. What do you think?
It's long.
Looks the same. Let's see. Hold it up for me. 1, 2. Give him a clap. He's doing such a great job. All righty. Well, how about we get another one and let's see. Hold this one. Is it right? We've got what? We've got. Hold it on the 1, and we're got. Oh. Uh-oh. I think it's too long. Oh, well, we could always snip it, but let's just see. How many have we got over there already? Do you remember?
1, 2, 3.
We've got 3. All right, so we need...
1 more.
1 more?
2 more.
2 more. We need 5. All right, hold it over here. 1. Hold it on the 1. Then we've got the 20.
24.
So how many do we have now?
4.
We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We only need to find 1 more. All righty, let's go. Is that too long?
Yeah.
It's too short. It's too short. All right, that's no good, Cheeky. All right, well, we got 1 piece left. Let's measure it. Is it correct? Because if it's correct, we're going... Everybody give Cheeky Monkey a big clap. Well, we did it. So we wind it up. High five. Give you a high five. Take your hat off. And you know what? I think we should... Oh, that's very nice. Do you like green too? Thank you, sweetheart. All righty. Well, everyone give yourselves a big clap. That was some excellent...
Hello, it's Juanita from Cheeky Monkey Club. Thanks for hanging out and having some fun. If you'd like to see more Cheeky Monkey Club videos, don't forget to click subscribe down below. And give us a thumbs up. Bye! Oh, and Cheeky Monkey says press that bell right next to the subscribe bar and you won't miss out on any of our new videos.